guarantee you, 9 out of 10 CA students do not know this rule. The 80-20 CA preparation rule. In my experience of mentoring CA students, I have noticed most often it's not the intelligent ones who clear the exams. It's the one who are strategically smart. Today, here we are helping you understand this 80-20 rule, what exactly this means and how you can implement this to improve your marks. So, let's get into the video. Before I begin, let me start by telling the story of one of our students, Priya. Priya was preparing for CA intern and she had already appeared twice. She was a very good student, very hardworking. She used to study 8 to 10 hours every single day. She had her notes ready, she revised the formulas. She did everything right by the book. Yet, something was missing. When we tried to understand this, here's what was exactly going on. She would spend, let's say, 3 hours in making the notes and barely any time to revise and revisit the same. And almost 2 to 3 hours solving the sums that she was familiar with, and just 1 hour or half an hour doing the hard stuff, the topic that actually had weightage and was also tricky. So when we identified this issue, we could help her fix it with this 80-20 rule. The 80-20 rule, also known as Pareto principle, says one simple thing: 80% of your success is from 20% efforts. In our CA exam situation, I would say 80% of your marks is from 20% of the syllabus. 80% of your confidence is from 20% practice. 80% of understanding is from 20% of the study techniques. Let's try to break this down with the example of few subjects. Maybe FR, financial reporting. If you take out the past papers, you will see that the first compulsory question is always from business combination or consolidation. You will most often see a question from financial instrument chapter. You will also see question from revenue recognition. So these few chapters that I just mentioned are your 20%. But most often, we end up allocating equal time to all the chapters. This is where something you will have to change. The important ones require little additional attention from your end. Let's talk about costing. Standard costing is a chapter that is asked almost in every other exam. So this is something that you have to be short confident. Only when that is done, you'll move on to other chapters, right? This is how you can take the help of previous question papers, analyze the 20%. Let's now understand how to apply this 80-20 rule practically with certain steps. The first and the most obvious step would be identify your 20%. Take out past question papers, weightage given by the institute and analyze high frequency, high marks, less comfort area. These are the things that requires 60% of your time. Next comes medium category, that is medium frequency, medium marks and medium confidence. This requires 30% of your time. Then comes the low priority ones. These are the topics that you are comfortable with, has less frequency, and you just need 10% of your time to revise this. Step number 2 is about quality over quantity. Instead of making 10-15 pages of notes for one topic, one flowchart can cover 5-6 pages of topic. Yes, this one flowchart can help you recollect, memorize lot of things, because our brain understands picture memory better than words and writings. So make sure to use as many flowcharts and mind mapping, diagrams, connections to the extent possible. Remember Priya from the beginning of our video today? Yes. Priya had applied the same technique and guess what? She cleared both the groups in one go. Her memorization skills improved, her productive hours also improved with this tech. So it's very simple. Identify your 20%, focus on quality rather than quantity, practice the hard stuff and strategically revise the concepts. I know CA can be hard, but it's not impossible. You can do this, and if you need any expert guidance on how to strategize and identify your 20%, that is where Prep CA comes into picture. We provide such strategies to all our students and help them plan better, strategize smartly, and clear their exams.